Good morning to you, welcome to my channel. This is my third and last day here at the Bosque Del Apache, and today I'm trying to get some wide angle shots. Let's see how that goes. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you click the little bell button, you will get a notification every time I post a new video. And today I'm trying to get some shots with the wide angle lens, because this blast off is really spectacular, and it's hard to get justice in a telephoto lens. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, that was amazing once again, and the red clouds in the background, really nice. But now I'm hurrying up to the crane pond, and I think I can get some nice shots there if they haven't already left. So hurry. I said hurry, but who can resist taking a picture of bald eagles in this beautiful sunrise? was quite hilarious when the train came. It started to honk way off, and suddenly from the hills there were this pack of coyotes answering. I think there's a bunch of pups there, so I tried to find them, and sure enough I found one on the hillside digging a hole. So finally got some coyotes on picture. So I'll make a quick stop here close to the visitor center. There is a really funny looking bird, I think, hanging around here, so see if I can get any pictures of it. So cross our fingers. So that went well, more than expected actually. I was hoping to see one or maybe two sitting somewhere in the bushes, and I got a perfect viewpoint, closer ground, and yeah, turned out good. So now I'm going back to the crane pond. There was a bald eagle sitting in a tree, and the pond was almost frozen, so there were some openings where there were some ducks and coots, and I was hoping now that the other photographers have left, and maybe see if the bald eagle do attempt to get a duck for breakfast. Well, the people are gone, but also the bald eagle has gone, so yeah, a little bit disappointing, but that's how it is. So it was a long shot anyway, so time to head back into the Bosque Del Apache and see what we can find today. The weather is more cloudy than the other days, so that means that you won't get that nice warm light, but it means that you can shoot probably throughout the whole day, so that's a good thing. So yeah, let's go. One thing that surprised me is that there are no vultures here. Growing up watching all the Wild West movies, I was suspecting that New Mexico and Arizona were full of vultures, but I haven't seen one. However, I've seen a lot of buzzards and hawks, and that is also surprising. I didn't realize that there were so many here. And now I spotted one sitting beside the road, so I will try to get a photo of him. So I've passed him and quietly turned around and preparing the gear, putting up my beanbag in the window, putting up my camera, then slowly approach him and see if he flies away or not. So. So I managed to sneak up to him and get 2 photos, and then he took off. So no video, but I will try to see if he is somewhere in the vicinity. I'm also back in the car right now. Don't do two things at the same time, but there's no traffic, so it's okay. Well, he took off, and looking at the pictures, I don't think it was neither a buzzard or a hawk. I think it was some kind of harrier, a hen harrier. I'm not quite an expert on these North American birds, but it kind of looked like that. So, back to the bosque again.
It took me 3 days before the Roadrunner to start to trust me and my white car. So now he's up here and getting warm in the sun.
I didn't foresee that before coming here, but I pretty much like this little fellow, the Roadrunner. Of course, seeing the cartoons when I was small must have made an impression, but he looks kind of awesome. And yeah, if I put a ranking list here, so the Roadrunner will be on the top, along with the eagles and owls, for this trip anyway. And the geese and ducks, they are way, way down. Yeah, but okay, I got some nice pictures, and hopefully the video was cool as well, so time to drive on. So immediately after stop photographing the Roadrunner, I turned my attention out to the field and spotted 2 coyotes. And they're also high up my list, so I'm trying to figure out where they're going and maybe intercept them. Yeah, we hope for the best. Yeah, it looks like I've lost them. I probably went into the bushes and left the field. But that shows how spending time out increases your chances to see something. So this is my 3rd day going around the roads. And the photo opportunity with the coyotes are getting closer and closer. Hopefully I will get some good shots before I leave, but since this is my last day, I don't have my hopes too high. But anyway, I find him quite cool. Coyote and Roadrunner. What else do you expect? Yeah. So I pulled over beside this flooded grass field, because in the tree close to the field is 2 eagles sitting, one adult and one juvenile. And in the water there are lots of ducks, so hopefully there could be some action. But anyway, I need to have a break, so I'll be staying here for a while. Yeah, that was a short break. The adult took off. But still, there's a juvenile in the tree, so I'll wait another minute or 2. Yeah, see what happens. Yeah, so I just witnessed an attack for I think it was an eagle. I don't know. But the sky went dark when all the small birds took to their wings to try to escape. Didn't get any video of it, but I got some photos. I hope he died. Yeah, so I pulled over to get some close-ups of the cranes. They are quite close to the road now, so getting out, getting some shots. That turned out good. It's always hard to isolate a subject among that many. Trying to find some patterns, but it's really hard. They're moving constantly, and yeah. So I will go and eat and think about if returning or not. Otherwise, this I will call this an episode. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment, subscribe, and yeah, hit the bell button. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So leaving Socorro, driving westwards, I got an unexpected meeting and a photo opportunity of the pronghorns. That shows to prove that you should never ever pack your camera in your trunk when you're driving. You never know.